Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to get a Discord invite code. First, launch the Discord application on your computer or mobile device. Once open, locate and enter the specific server for which you intend to create an invite link. It's important to ensure you have the necessary permissions to generate invites within that server. Typically, server owners and administrators have this capability, but it can also be granted to other roles. This initial step is crucial for a smooth process. Once inside your chosen server, look to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the server's name there. Click on it. A drop-down menu will then appear, presenting several options. From this list, select Invite People. Immediately, a new window will pop up, showcasing a unique invite link. This link is ready to be shared, but you can also customize its settings for more control over who joins and for how long. After generating your initial invite link, you have the option to customize it further. Click on the Edit Invite Link button within the Invite window. Here, you can modify two key settings. First, you can set how long the invite remains valid, choosing options like 30 minutes, 1 hour, 6 hours, 1 day, 7 days, or even never. Second, you can specify a maximum number of uses, for example, 1 use or 10 uses, before the link becomes invalid. This provides greater control. With your invite link generated and customized, simply click the Copy button to copy it to your clipboard. You can then paste and share this link through various platforms like social media, email, or direct messages. Remember, you have full control over your invites. If you ever need to, you can revoke any active invite link from your server settings, making it instantly invalid. You can also view and manage all current invites from the server's invite section, ensuring security and order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.